What was the hottest muscle car back in '69? For many gearheads, it was the 1969 Camaro Z28. This iconic pony car was a total beast on the street and track. Under the hood was a high-revving 302 cubic inch V8, putting down 290 horsepower. Not too shabby for the era. The Z28 was lighter than a regular Camaro thanks to things like a fiberglass hood, lightweight rear axle, and no sound deadening material or floor carpets. The Z28 even came without a radio or air conditioning to save weight. With its race-tuned suspension and power-to-weight ratio, the 1969 Z28 was a force to be reckoned with. Motor Trend clocked it hitting 0 to 60 mph in just 6.7 seconds. Road M-Track said it felt like a Trans Am race car for the street. The '69 Z28's mean muscular styling matched its performance. Bold racing stripes, a unique grille, and rear deck lid spoiler let everyone know this Camaro meant business.